Troubleshooting video number 10. Now, our machine is running fine, but there is a loud sound of vacuum from your vacuum at your machine. In other words, each machine is equipped with a silencer underneath. It doesn't matter which model that we use. If for whatever reason you start getting a loud type of sound coming out of the out of your discharge of your blower, which is kind of not normal and is not comparing it to your previous day, the machine was running so smooth and so quiet, all of a sudden it started increasing sound of the vacuum. That means, again, we're going to go back to the vacuum areas. We're going to see if we have any cloggage. That means the blower is probably suffocating. Checking your line as it comes to the tank, make sure there is no cloggage. Check your filter, make sure it's not clogged up. And of course, at the end, make sure that the discharge hose, which you can see it on this one much easier, they're in different type of position. Bring the camera around. Maybe your discharge of the vacuum hose, for whatever reason, either has a cut in it or has come loose to the point that it does not allow the sound of the discharge air of the blower travel through the silencer. But one of the main area, 99% of the time, it is contaminated line, contaminated tool, packed up with trash, contaminated vacuum hoses, contaminated and packed up in water, that the water hose that takes the recovered water, gray water, into the tank, and of course the final would be extremely contaminated and dirty tank filter. That causes the vacuum sound of the machine kind of increase dramatically, which, you know, they could be addressed by simply cleaning those areas. You should be ready to go. Again, we're going to stop here so we can start the video, troubleshooting video number 11.